Start with a sunscreen. This is from Bioderma. This is Photoderm cream and Sun Active Defense 50 plus, So sunscreen, you should never forget sunscreen no matter what. Now in this step itself you can use a makeup fixer, or after blending with the sponge you can do. I will be applying, I'm just showing you, I will be applying makeup spray and then I will blend it. This is the only trick that will help you to make your makeup long lasting. For the eyes, I will be using a very neutral shade of brown. I will be using this shade. This is the City Mini palette, Brooklyn Orange. This is from Maybelline. I will be using the same shade under my eyes also. Now for the crease, I will be using this dark shade of brown, just for the depth. I'll be using this the Bold Lights microblade pen. This is very beautiful pen, and it is very it makes your life very easy. It's very natural finishing, so I'm very particular about my eyebrows. Now for the blush, I will be using Lana's Big Tint. This baby is my favorite. I love blush, I'm a blush girl. I just give it some minutes and then I dab it. I don't know, but I think it makes the look more natural. So for that also, you can do all your makeup. So there are the simple trick is, after applying concealer or BB cream or CC cream, just apply this setting spray, and after doing everything, again apply the setting spray. This is my final look, guys, and this is going to stay for a very long time, and you don't need to worry because the makeup that you have applied is very less, but yet it is going to give you a very classy look, chic look, not so much makeup. It's giving you a very natural everyday makeup look, but yet it is going to stay for a very long time. It's not only about rainy season, it is applied for every particular season. And the simple trick is, apply your setting spray after 2 or 3 steps you have done your makeup. It's going to stay for a very long time, and do your makeup, work on your makeup very gently and work on your face. That's it. If you love the video, then subscribe to this channel, and love you. Bye.